Just-in-time inventory is no more. Buy as long as you can and then double it, and you're halfway there. No, I say that in jest, but I mean, ultimately, control and depth, and any point that you can get out of that, I think, is a tremendous opportunity. I think Steve Jobs was very ahead of his time with end-to-end control of his platform, but the reality is that I'm sure he would be doing very well coming out of this, in his model. And I think it's something that we can learn from.
And I think knowing your market, knowing your customer is really the key. There's certain markets around the world that it's really more important. From our side of the business, I use Japan as an example. That's just a market where you do business face to face. China as an example. The business gets done after work hours. That's really where you get to develop that relationship. They get to know you as a person, and that's really important in some of these markets. It's important everywhere, don't get me wrong. I mean, still, you need to go to Europe, you need to be with your clients, with your traders, with your brokers. That's really important.
Honestly, the best number financially that you could run to figure out what to charge in those countries is take your product, what you charge here, take the price of a Big Mac meal. I'm not even joking. Okay?
That's a brilliant strategy.
I have worked for a currency trading company for 10 years. Okay? Any technical analysis, any economic analysis you run, I can guarantee you that the Big Mac analysis is always going to work. You take the price of a Big Mac in Michigan, in Grand Rapids, you check your price, see how many Big Macs you can buy, and then you check the price of that Big Mac in the city you're going to and multiply it those times, and that's your price.